Right guys, how we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects. Now today we unbox the Warhammer 40k Tooth and Claw box set. This is Space Wolves Primaris versus the Genestealer Cult. Now this retails at £90, and as we know, on the last video I did a rundown of how much the stuff is worth. So we'll just pop a lid here, a little look in the background. So here we have got the sprues for the Aggressors squad, a 3-man squad of Aggressors. Now they retail at £30, and these are the multi-kit ones, the multi-part kits. They have both the Stormflame Gauntlet and the auto bolt weapons. So as you can see, really detailed. Look at that head there, it's fantastic. Can't wait to assemble these and paint them, looking pretty cool. Put that to one side. We've got a 5-man Intercessor squad. Now these are just the normal ones, you know, the ones that you get in the Ultramarines box set, the Blood Angels box set and the Dark Angels box set. But we get, you know, a fair few different head options, as we can see. It's always important. Different shoulder pads on this side, and I can't wait to get these painted as well. Fantastic. We've got, unfortunately, only one upgrade sprue for the Space Wolves because it's only a 5-man squad. So you've got different 2 Aggressors shoulder pads and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ragnar Black Mane shoulder pads. Got some wolf tail talismans, 2 more, chainsword, combat knife, grenade, 2 helmets there, 2 heads, a helmet and a helmet this one. I think they normally retail about £8.50. And then we've got just the Acolyte Icon Ward for the Genestealers. And this is a pretty detailed model, and quite frankly I'm thinking of starting to collect these now. Is this the, what one was this? I'm not too sure which miniature this is. I think this might be the Abomination. It's a single character anyway. He's on one sprue, he looks pretty detailed, doesn't he? Looks quite cool. And here's, I don't know, I can't remember what these are called. These called Aberrations. I'll have to look in the little booklet in a minute. That's what you get in that sprue as well. And then the Wolfguard Battle Leader on one sprue. He's quite detailed. Nice wolf skin on his backpack. There's a frost axe there as well. Bolt gun. And here's your kit for your Redemptor Dreadnought. 3 sprues. And this does come with the different weapons. There's always a bonus that retails at £40. Then we've got some Genestealers. I noticed this before. 2004. This sprue is from, look at the gaps on that. Absolutely massive gaps, and you get these little things here. You'll have to tell me what these are, guys. Different Genestealer heads there. That's great. Loads of bases. You're getting your Genestealer hybrid metamorphs as well. I've never seen these before. So you're getting multiple parts for them. You can do like, give them different arms, you can give them weapons. I think you can also give them Genestealer-esque faces, or you can give them human style heads. Let's have a little look. I did see one before. I can't see it now. Anyway, there's all the heads. Look pretty cool to me. I think those sprues are both exactly the same. And we've got some more Gene Stealers here. Can't wait to paint these, so expect in the future some painting tutorials on these. All the bases. Now this is something I thought was pretty cool. A big massive poster artwork, the Tooth and Claw art box set there. It's fantastic. I'm going to frame this up and put it on my wall. I love the look of that. And then we get bases and booklets. So we get a little booklet here. Your Primaris battle leader. A little guide of how to assemble it, and you get, it tells you what colours you need to paint each things. Now, does it come? Oh yeah, it does. It comes with 2 different heads, which is handy. And then you got your rules as well in English, French, and so on. Quite handy. You also get some transfers. First time the Primaris have had transfers. The Acolyte, Icon, Ward, and the Abominant. So he was the Abominant, guys. I don't think you get, oh yeah, on the back you get a little painting guide there, which is quite cool. Rules and how to assemble. Same with these guys. I don't think you get a painting guide in this. I did notice some of them didn't have painting guides, but it shows you how to assemble. That's a nice artwork, isn't it? But this is all nice glossy finish on this. Got the Gene Stealer assembly guide as well, which again, all the AutoCAD features, nice glossy finish, bit of rules there, and the aggressors. Look at that, lovely. You can cut that out and put it on your wall. Painting guide, how to assemble, and then the rules in the back, and then aberrants, and you've got nice artwork on the back. Painting guide also in the back pages, rules as well, and how to assemble them. I think these are quite handy, to be honest. Likewise, your combat squad, all that similar stuff. There's no painting guide in there, but you do get one on your battle leader. Redemptor as well, very similar. That tells you how to paint it in Ultramarines colours. You get your Coral data sheet thing, comes in handy as always. You get your Tooth and Claw information booklet, so we've got an introduction to Warhammer 40,000 universe, I'm guessing. Nice artwork, war zones. So this is the story of why the Space Wolves are on this planet battling these Gene Stealers. This looks quite interesting, to be honest. A bit of information about Space Wolves and Gene Stealer cults. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? More stories, and then it gives you information about the data sheets inside these booklets that they're showing you. It's actually got the data sheets on here as well. It's pretty handy. Some nice work here from Heavy Metals here. Here's the Gene Stealer stuff now, data sheets. This could come quite handy. There is the abilities as well. So that's good because I haven't got the Gene Stealer Codex, so this would come in handy for me. And there's some game rules and missions. Different missions that you can do. So it's pretty handy, this box set. And then you've got your values in the back. And like I said in my previous video, the whole content of this box is worth about £185, and I think it's completely and utterly worth it, and I'm so happy that I bought it. And it looks like I'll be collecting Gene Stealers from now on. So hopefully this video has helped you guys decide whether you want to buy it or whether you think it's worth it. If it has, let me know in the comment section. Give this video a like if it has helped. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See you later, ta.